A warm welcome to 84 TV Radio News Extract coming to you from Abuja, Nigeria's capital city. I am Jessica Ochai. The number of active COVID-19 infections is rising all over the world. Latest figures put the tally at over millions globally. Nigeria hovers around 65,000 cases. Canada, which was down to low double digits in its daily new cases at one point, is now back to about 3,000 new infections per day. Due to the resurgence of the COVID-19 infections, countries around the globe are already planning a second wave of total lockdown to prevent further spread of the virus. Our correspondent sampled the opinion of some residents of Abuja on the desirability of a second lockdown in Nigeria.
At the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, many countries enforced total lockdown and social distancing as a measure to halt the spread of the COVID-19 virus. As cases reduced, countries relaxed the restrictions gradually. Many people believing the worst was over returned to their routine, including social activities. These attempts to enjoy freedom of movement and interaction had negative consequences. Many countries in Europe retracted to fighting a second wave of the deadly virus, governments favoring local measures to national lockdowns. Ireland was the first European country to announce a return to a full lockdown. In Nigeria, daily COVID-19 record has raised fears the country returning to a second lockdown to curb the spread of the virus. However, residents of Abuja downplayed the necessity of a second lockdown in Nigeria.
Looking at developed social formations like the Western nations, America, Europe, and all of them, they are beginning to lock down again. Locking down in Nigeria, especially towards the end of the year, may not be the solution because majority of the people, about 85% of Nigerians, earn their livings on daily basis. And a lockdown will not favor them. It will be catastrophic for government to declare a lockdown.
We don't need another phase of lockdown in Nigeria because it's going to affect a lot of people. And I don't really think COVID is all that serious in African environments. We might see one or two. I'm not saying it's not here totally, but I don't think it calls for another lockdown. People will suffer.
We should not go into lockdown because the one already with lockdown, we have not survived from it. Many people are still crying today. There is starvation, there is hunger. Many people are begging. You see a gentleman dressed who are begging, and you thought maybe it's a Yahoo boy or 419. It's not, it's hunger. So lockdown is not necessary any longer.
These Nigerians insist there are better ways to reduce the spread of the virus instead of another lockdown.
Need to give us a different model that we can follow while not locking down. The economy should be allowed the way it has been opened. In fact, it can be completely opened now while we live with the coronavirus, but maintaining social distancing, wearing our face masks, avoiding crowded areas, and other protocol of COVID can help us, not lockdown.
People know how to manage themselves, but all that I know is that COVID is not all that serious in Africa that should warrant, or in Nigeria that should call for another lockdown. Thank you very much.
Nigeria has so far recorded a total of 64,184 cases, 60,069 recoveries, and 1,158 casualties. Alex Emmanuel, 84 TV Radio, Abuja.
Remember, coronavirus is real. Ensure you wash your hands regularly. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Wear your masks besides maintaining social distancing. And that's it for 84 TV Radio News Extract coming to you from Abuja, Nigeria's capital. You can join the conversation on our website at www.84tvradio.com. Please follow us on our social media platforms at 84 TV Radio on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at 84 TV Radio as well. Many thanks for watching. I am Jessica Ochai.
AD4 TV Radio, we focus on education with emphasis on research and innovation, science and technology, women and girl child education, children, health, youth and sports, socio-political and economic reforms, security, environment, entrepreneurship, and entertainment. We'll give you information at your fingertips. Learn on the go. Follow AD4 TV Radio on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. AD4 TV Radio, reliable and credible.
We love you, AD4 TV.